Circuit Court, how can I help you?
Yes, hi. My name is Michael Joseph Reason. I took a call this morning from my wife's phone, and it said something. They didn't leave a voicemail, but then I go and look online, and it says it reflects a failure to appear for me today, but I don't have court today when I was released by pretrial services on Sunday.
Do you have a case number and I can look up for your case?
Okay, ma'am. The case number is 20 CR 04776 possibly, or there's a couple of cases, so it's either that or another one. But
Hold on.
yes, ma'am.
What's the other case number?
The other one is 19 CR 38084.
Okay, the first one you didn't have a court date for, so there's right there. I do see that you failed to appear for your trial call this morning. I don't see anything about a warrant. What's your question?
Well, my question is this, ma'am. The pretrial services has called my phone, and as well as the this number here is how I got. You guys apparently called me because this is the number that was utilized. And the question is, did I do something wrong, or am I accused of doing something wrong? Because for certain pretrial services had told me when I was released that I did not have to go to this court date. It was something about firing the attorney or the attorney withdrawing from the case, and they said it didn't require my presence, nor was I supposed to be there or needed to be there.
Yeah, let me transfer to our criminal team, because the way I'm reading it is that you probably didn't need to be here, but I also see that failure to appear comment, so I don't want to give you false information.
Okay, thank you.
So let me transfer to our criminal department. Hold on.
Yes, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Wayne County Court.
Yes, hi. My name is Michael Reason. I was transferred to you because the previous person saw a failure to appear comment on the docket and was concerned. Although there wasn't a warrant, she wanted me to make sure that.
Your last name?
Reason, Reason.
And your first name?
Michael, middle name Joseph. I was told by pretrial services that this was a case that I didn't have to or wasn't required to come to and shouldn't.
Which case? If I remember right, you had multiple cases.
Okay, yes, ma'am. It's 19CR38084. Yeah, there were multiple cases. The fugitive one was dismissed, as well as another one, I think.
What's that case number again? 19.
Yes, CR38084. And they said that the pretrial told me it was in regards to the lawyer filing a motion withdrawal.
Okay, just a moment. Let me take a look.
Yes, ma'am.
To appear, but it looks like your release agreement has you appearing on the 3rd of November.
Yes.
Which seems odd.
Let
me put you on hold. It looks like that hearing was just today. So let me put you on hold and talk to the judge's staff to see what was going on, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Yep. Are you there?
Yes, I am, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. I can't get a hold of the judge's staff. I've messaged her and she hasn't responded. It looks like she's away from her desk.
Okay.
Normally they put a comment, let me check one more thing, that they'll issue a warrant.
However,
that doesn't look like they're going to do that just because, one, you didn't sign for that date. In your release agreement states for you to appear the 3rd.
Yes, that's what I understood as well.
However, that date looks like it was just set over to April 22nd of next year. And that was just done yesterday. So you probably haven't even got notice of that yet.
Yeah, my case is kind of a unique one that, for different reasons. There's a lot of things that were dealt with, this is not definitive,
but
but
also, regardless of that, it could just also be COVID. We're sending over a lot of cases.
yeah, certainly, yeah.
So it looks like what I would suggest is getting a hold of Mr. Buseman. Are you trying to get new representation, or
yes, that's the case, ma'am. Mr. Buseman and I I've since filed reports against him with the state bar. It's kind of a relationship that's non-existent at this point.
So I would contact with him to see if there's a new court date. However, hold on just a second. She's responding to my message.
Okay,
maybe
no problem. I'll hold.
Answer. Okay, so I talked to the judge's staff. They have not issued. They aren't going to issue a warrant.
Okay, wonderful.
The motion was filed basically because you were wanting a hearing.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. So I just got the phone with her. She said you have a hearing on the 29th. Is that correct?
I would have to look because they change so sporadically, and I didn't understand that was the case, but I can look at the paper again, and if you say so, then I'll take your word for it and write that down too.
I'm just looking now because I don't see that, and I don't want to.
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at this other case.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. So yes, you have a hearing set for the 29th, which is 2 weeks, on Thursday. So at that hearing, they're going to address the motion to withdraw since today you didn't appear.
Okay, perfect. That sounds good.
At that time, yep. So just make sure you appear on that date.
Yes, I'll appear.
Or I'm sorry, don't appear, but be by your phone. Let me make sure we have a good phone number for you.
Yes.
Since there's no actual